Today's medical-centric topic is the 5 best superfoods to boost your immune system. A strong immune system is imperative for protection against disease and illness. Much like the other major symptoms of your body, the immune system can also be strengthened by eating the right foods. Several food items can provide a boost to the immune system, but there are 5 superfoods that you definitely need to add to your diet. These food items provide the raw materials that the immune system needs while also giving it the extra boost it requires to perform consistently. These 5 superfoods start with 1. Mushrooms. Mushrooms have been playing a major role in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. The fungi was assumed to boost health, and science can now prove the mushrooms do indeed lead to improved health. This effect of mushrooms is based around their support to the immune system. A chemical that helps against bacterial infection by stimulating cellular immune response. 2. Broccoli sprouts. While broccoli is a superfood in its own right, broccoli sprouts have proven to be great immunity boosters. The sprouts hold this distinction due to the abundance of sulforaphane, an immune-supportive biochemical. Sulforaphane induces the production of a compound called NRF2 in the cells, resulting in a rise in antioxidant production. Antioxidants, in turn, get rid of free radicals from the body and reduce inflammation. 3. Ginger. Ginger has been a part of traditional medical practices for several centuries. It contains compounds known as gingerols, which are known for reducing oxidative stress in the heart and reducing the chances of cardiovascular disease. Ginger also helps block kidney damage caused by chemotherapy drugs and liver disease caused by alcohol consumption. 4. Garlic. Along with enhancing the flavor of whatever you cook, garlic also provides a great boost to the body's immune system. Garlic does this by increasing the production and activity of NK cells, a cell that contains tiny granules with enzymes that are used to kill tumor cells or cells infected with viruses. Along with that, garlic also improves gut health by promoting the activity of good, helpful bacteria. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is the most popular supplement these days, and that is with good reason. The yellowish root contains the magic compound curcumin, which can help out the immune system by suppressing autoimmune diseases, buffering high cortisol levels, promoting healthy bacteria, and minimizing swelling caused by arthritis.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.